Hello everyone, welcome to this series on the life and works of famous writers. And in this video, we are going to discuss Sophocles. Birth and early life. Sophocles, one of the most celebrated playwrights of ancient Greece, was born around 496 BCE in Colonus, a village near Athens. His father, Sophocles, was a prosperous manufacturer of armor, which afforded young Sophocles a privileged upbringing. He received an excellent education in various disciplines, including music, athletics, and poetry. His exceptional beauty and skill were evident early on, as at the age of 16 he was chosen to lead the Paean, a choral chant in celebration of the Greek victory over the Persians at the Battle of Salamis in 480 BCE. Public service. Sophocles' contributions extended beyond the theatre into public service. He held several significant civic positions throughout his life. In 442 BCE, he served as a treasurer, responsible for managing the tribute money from Athens' allies in the Delian League. 2 years later, in 440 BCE, he was elected as a general, serving alongside the esteemed leader Pericles during the siege of Samos. His public duties continued well into his later years. In 413 BCE, at the age of about 83, Sophocles was appointed as one of the 10 advisory commissioners or probulos tasked with organizing Athens' recovery after its defeat at Syracuse. Death. Sophocles died in 406 BCE. His last recorded act was to lead a chorus of public mourning for his deceased rival Euripides before the festival of that year. His death marked the end of a prolific life dedicated to both the arts and public service. Dramatic achievements and innovations. Number of plays. Sophocles' legacy in the realm of drama is unparalleled. He authored 123 plays, though only 7 have survived in their entirety. His dramatic career was illustrious from the start. He won his first victory at Dionysian festival in 468 BCE, triumphing over the renowned Aeschylus. Over his lifetime, he won approximately 24 competitions, a testament to his enduring success and the high regard in which he was held by his contemporaries. Innovations. Sophocles was a pioneer in the evolution of Greek theatre. He introduced the use of a third actor, a significant innovation that allowed for more complex character interactions and plot developments. Additionally, he is believed to have introduced scene paintings, which helped establish the locale or atmosphere of the plays. He also increased the size of the chorus from 12 to 15 members, enhancing the choral segments of his productions. Characteristics of his plays. The plays of Sophocles are noted for their focus on a few central characters who possess strong, dominant qualities or flaws that lead them to their tragic fates. His works emphasize the limitations of human wisdom and the collision between truth and ignorance, often dramatizing errors in judgment, deceptive reports, and hasty decisions. Sophocles masterfully employed dramatic irony, creating high tension as the audience knew truths that the characters were unaware of, thus intensifying the tragic outcomes. Surviving plays. Ajax. Ajax centers on the hero Ajax's deep humiliation and subsequent suicide after he is not awarded Achilles' armor, which instead goes to Odysseus. The play concludes with Ajax's honorable burial, persuaded by the wise Odysseus, highlighting themes of honor and human frailty. Antigone. Antigone is a powerful exploration of the conflict between personal loyalty and state laws. Antigone defies King Creon's decree forbidding the burial of her brother Polynices, leading to her tragic death. The play examines the clash between familial duty and civic obligation. Trachinian women. In Trachinian women, Deianira's attempt to win back the love of her husband, Heracles, results in his death and her own suicide. The play delves into themes of love, jealousy, and unintended consequences of desperate actions. Oedipus the King. Oedipus the King is lauded for its complex structure and masterful use of dramatic irony. It follows Oedipus's relentless pursuit of truth, leading to the devastating revelation of his true identity and his subsequent self-inflicted blindness and exile. Electra. Electra tells the story of Electra's burning desire to revenge against her mother, Clytemnestra, for the murder of her father. The play concludes with Electra and her brother Orestes exacting their revenge by killing Clytemnestra. Philoctetes. Philoctetes deals with the Greek effort to retrieve the abandoned hero Philoctetes and his indispensable bow to secure victory in the Trojan War. The play ends with Philoctetes being persuaded to join the Greeks, blending themes of pain, loyalty, and reconciliation. Oedipus at Colonus. Oedipus at Colonus depicts the final days of Oedipus and his mysterious death at Colonus. The play portrays his transformation into a figure of moral and spiritual authority, providing a poignant conclusion to his tragic life. Themes and style. Human tragedy. Sophocles' plays are profound explorations of human flaws and the inevitable downfall that results from errors and ignorance. His characters often suffer tragic fates due to their own decisions and misunderstandings, reflecting the harsh realities of human existence. Complex characterization. Sophocles is renowned for the depth and vividness of his characters, especially his tragic women like Antigone and Electra. His characters are not merely heroes or villains, but complex individuals driven by powerful emotions and moral dilemmas. Dramatic irony. A hallmark of Sophocles' style is his masterful use of dramatic irony. By allowing the audience to know critical truths unknown to the characters, he heightened the emotional impact of the tragedy, making the unfolding events even more poignant and devastating. Language. Sophocles' language is notable for its flexibility, adapting to the dramatic needs of the moment. It ranges from highly decorative to plain and simple, always enhancing the emotional and narrative power of his plays. Conclusion. Sophocles' life and work have left an indelible mark on the history of drama. His innovative techniques, profound themes, and masterful characterizations have ensured his place as one of the greatest playwrights of all time. His plays continue to be studied and performed, offering timeless insights into the human condition and the complexities of fate, duty, and morality. So this was the discussion about life and works of Sophocles. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other author. Until then, goodbye and thank you.